Welcome to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today we've got some sizzling AI updates to get amazed. So let's start it. Perplexity unleashes a $200 per month AI powerhouse subscription. Perplexity just dropped a serious productivity booster, a $200 monthly plan, promising limitless AI-powered magic to supercharge your work. The highlights. $200 per month unlocks unlimited AI queries and faster responses. Designed for pros craving non-stop, high-octane AI assistance, promises smoother, smarter workflows with no annoying caps. Want AI that keeps pace with your hustle? This subscription wipes out limits so you can tap into endless creativity. OpenAI and Robinhood. OpenAI throws shade at Robinhood's AI token move. OpenAI isn't thrilled about Robinhood launching its own AI tokens. In a spicy twist, the AI giant calls out Robinhood for mixing finance, the quick scoop. OpenAI criticizes Robinhood's AI token as misleading. Robinhood aims to blend finance with AI via new tokens. The clash highlights growing tensions in AI's financial use. Knowing where the debates heat up helps you spot legit innovations versus hype, so you can make smarter moves in AI and investing. Alibaba Cloud's AI boom, $60 million plus to turbocharge innovation. Alibaba Cloud is going big in 2025, pumping over $60 million into AI projects to speed up cutting-edge tech and power smarter business solutions. The lowdown, $60 million plus invested to accelerate AI breakthroughs next year. Focus on cloud infrastructure and AI model innovation, targeting smarter apps and smarter business tools. Want to ride the AI wave? Alibaba's massive push means faster, smarter tech tools are on the horizon. Stay plugged in to leverage these advances before your competition does. Google's AI video generator VEO3 lands in India with Gemini app. Google just dropped VEO3, its snazzy AI video maker, straight into India via the Gemini app. Now creating slick, smart videos is easier than ever, just a tap and some AI magic. The breakdown. VEO3 uses AI to turn text into eye-catching videos fast. Available now in India through the Gemini app, no fuss needed. Perfect for creators, marketers, and anyone craving quick video content. Ready to boost your content game? With VEO3, you can whip up professional-looking videos in minutes, saving tons of time and leveling up your digital presence effortlessly. AI job predictions, the new corporate sport everyone's playing. Forget office ping-pong or fantasy football. Predicting AI's impact on jobs is the latest game in corporate America. The inside scoop. Corporations battle to outguess AI's future job impact. Predictions sway hiring and investment strategies big time. Betting on AI's winners and losers is the new workplace hustle. Want to stay ahead? Use these insights to spot AI-driven shifts early, sharpen your skills in growth areas, and become the go-to pro as the job market transforms. ChatGPT's news boost is real, but it's not outpacing search yet. ChatGPT is driving more people to news sites, but it still isn't making up for the drop in Google search visits. The highlights. ChatGPT referrals to news sites are climbing steadily. Google search traffic to news sites is declining faster. AI isn't replacing search traffic yet, but it's getting there. Knowing how AI tools like ChatGPT funnel readers can help you rethink content strategy and stay ahead as search evolves. Capgemini's AI playbook, turning dreams into data-driven wins. Capgemini just dropped a fresh AI framework that's all about helping businesses move from wild AI ambitions to real, measurable impact. The lowdown. New AI framework links ambition to actual business results. Focus on practical, scalable AI solutions that deliver value designed to help enterprises navigate their AI journeys smoothly. This framework is your shortcut to turning fancy AI talk into hard dollar results. Perfect for busy pros ready to lead, not lag. 2,000 plus courses waiting for you. Mammoth Club, transform your career overnight. Why scroll mindlessly when you could be mastering skills that change your life? What you get: 2,000 plus career-changing courses, new contents monthly, instant launch templates that save you weeks of work, personal AI mentor that adapts to your learning style, interview skills that make recruiters fight over you, cutting-edge content that keeps you ahead of the curve. Stay ahead for just 50 cents a day. Master skills faster. Win back your time. Tools for AI Edge. Croppin, AI and data-led agricultural ecosystem. OneSoil, AI platform for agricultural monitoring. Farmanaut, AI for satellite-based crop health. Blue River Technology, AI for smart farm machinery. Pachama, AI to verify carbon offset projects. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the AI round. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for free updates straight to your inbox.